What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a headlight bulb in this 2021 Hyundai Ioniq Blue Hybrid. It is a H7. I know, like, when you go into AutoZone or something like that, they'll be like, we don't know which bulb it is. For this specific one, it's an H7. This is the hybrid. So I've now done both sides, and I'm going to describe to you because there's not many videos at all on this how to do this. So and we're doing the low beam, which is going to be this one. It seems to be the most common one because it's on the most. It's going to be the first one to go out. Mine went out at about 100,000 miles. That one went out a couple weeks ago, and this one shortly followed. So first, you're going to have this cap right here, and it's going to be tucked in there, and you're going to spin it this way because that would be lefty loosey, and then you're gonna kind of push. I was able to do it with my fingers, push it off. Oh, now I just dropped it in my dustbin. That's okay. Anyways, you're gonna do that. Then there's going to be this booger right in here, and let's see if we can get to focus. You see there's a tab here, and on the back side there is another tab like that. So it's like there's two tabs where if you had all this room, you could spin it that way. And I think I read like a 30 or a 32 millimeter socket, like shallow, you can stick it over and twist it. I wasn't able to do that for that or that. What I did, and I'm gonna warn you guys, what I did, I broke both sides. That side, it's still twisted back in. This side, you can see, let's see, where's the tab? So you can see there's like one. It's really hard. It's a tight spot. I'm touching a tab right there. There's like 3 of those, and the one right here I broke with the method I used. So what I'm gonna do, that tab I broke. So what I'm gonna do is probably just put a little silicone on it so it'll force it to stay in there. And I'll put the bulb back in, then you push it back in, and then you'll stick it in there like that and twist it righty-tighty like that. And then if you're using silicone like me, then you just kind of want to hold it in there for a minute. You might want to put a plastic object behind the cover cap to hold it in. You can get creative, whatever you want to do. I would probably just shove a paper towel in there, let it sit for 5 hours or something so it's sitting in there. Because the alternative is like take the headlight out. You could also take this piece out. Me, I don't care. I've done mechanic stuff for like almost 15 years now, I guess, and breaking the tab, I don't care. Silicone it in. When it goes out, we'll just take it back out again. No big deal. This side, you can see what it looks like with the cap on. I took a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and I also took the 10 millimeter out here and the 10 millimeter out here, and I kind of moved this guy off to the side, and I banged on that thing, and that loosened it up. And I think I might have broke something. Again, I don't really care. The alternative is like taking the headlight out or trying to get a 32 millimeter socket in there or something like that. So the headlight still works fine afterwards. So disclosure, don't do it if you're concerned about breaking it. This side, to get it out, what I did is I took a 19 millimeter and I was able to grab the top and kind of pry this way on that top tab, and then with my other hand down here I was kind of pushing the bottom. I was pushing the bottom and I was prying it this way at the top. So that was able to break it loose, but it literally broke the piece. So this side, use a 19 millimeter wrench to pry at the top. That side, flathead screwdriver and a hammer and lefty loosey to get it out. Then of course you'll just put the bulb back in. All that stuff's really easy. You're watching this video to take these sockets out. That's the hardest part. If you can get the sockets out, then all you gotta do is put the bulb back in, make sure you don't touch the bulb. Twist it back in. Again, we talked about the RTV, so that's pretty much it, guys. I haven't seen a lot of videos, so that gives you an idea, gives you a place to start. Again, I'm not responsible for your headlight housing breaking if you choose to use this method. I think the proper all data method is probably like remove the headlight or something crazy like that. So you can always do that, watch a video on how to remove your headlights, and then you can change your bulb. But I'd rather just spend about 5 minutes on it, breaking something RTV silicone, like the black silicone. Just put it back in there, no big deal. That's my preference. If you're a perfectionist, you're not gonna want to do that. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.